Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this gorgeous Jaguar XF. It's a 2-litre i4 portfolio and as you can see it is absolutely gorgeous. Starting with the front, this vehicle features the chrome radiator grille with matching chrome surround along with lower black side intakes with matching chrome blades. This vehicle also features the amazing headlight design along with daytime running lights which do not only look the part but also help in a range of driving conditions. This vehicle also wears the lovely 19-inch 5 split spoke design alloy wheels along with the classy chrome side vents with Jaguar script and the body coloured power fold electric door mirrors complete with integrated indicators. Classy chrome window surround follows along with rear privacy glass which is ideal for backseat passengers along with a sliding panoramic roof and yet another look at those gorgeous 19-inch alloy wheels. Stepping away from the vehicle and you can really begin to appreciate just how stunning this Jaguar XF looks. Progressing towards the rear and you're presented with that fantastic design along with a subtle boot lip spoiler along with relevant Jaguar model badging in chrome and the chrome tailgate finisher. This vehicle features the amazing rear taillight design along with a lower black bumper and twin exhausts. This Jaguar XF features a generous 540 litre boot which could comfortably accommodate some luggage for a short weekend away or brilliant for popping to the shops with. Jumping inside now and you are presented with a gorgeous ebony leather interior where Jaguar metal tread plates greet you upon arrival along with a leather multifunctional steering wheel and semi-digital instrument cluster. The neatly designed centre console follows a built-in 8-inch touchscreen display along with the gloss figured ebony veneer and Meridian sound system. The interior also benefits from 10-way electrical adjustable heated front seats with Jaguar embossing. Upon starting the vehicle, you are presented with the clean and responsive semi-digital instrument cluster and the fantastic 8-inch touchscreen display which provides access to a range of functions as shown here. Selecting media allows you to choose from a wide array of your favourite radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. Additional climate control settings can also be accessed, allowing you to tailor the cabin experience further, along with additional heated seat options, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. A phone option is also built in, allowing you to pair your device via Bluetooth, ideal for those hands-free calls, along with navigation, which presents you with a clean and responsive layout, allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily. Lastly, the rear reversing camera can also be displayed. When selecting reverse, yellow guidelines will also appear. Lower down houses the brilliant dual zone climate control, perfect for setting individual temperatures, along with a sleek gear selector and additional driving modes with dual cup holders which can be hidden and additional armrest storage with 12V power supply. Another really nice feature is a sliding panoramic roof, where one simple button press will automatically retract the headlining like so, revealing a huge amount of light. A second button press will automatically open the glass roof like so, allowing you to enjoy that summer breeze. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, featuring metal tread plates along with matching rear ebony leather heated seats, complete with integrated ISOFIX points and rear door speakers, along with rear luggage netting and dual air vents with a 12V power supply. Rear passengers can also benefit from the retractable armrest. If this gorgeous Jaguar XF is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team at Jaguar Crewe on 01270 445 200 and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.